So yeah, this is the end of the storm. We got quite a lot of snow. I was out all day plowing. I think we got about a foot, maybe a little more, maybe a little less, depending on where it is. But I gotta finish roof raking my portable garage here. A lot of good snow piles everywhere for people to make snow forts. We're just digging out, and wish I got some videos of plowing. I'll have to make some plowing videos sometime, but I'd say about a foot. It's confusing because if you have something like that that's already got a little bit of snow on it, then the new snow piles up on top of it. This is January 26, 2026. The big snowfall. But that's about the end of the storm. It's been snowing a little bit on and off all day, but mainly it was yesterday was all the snow. And it was all heavy, fast snow all day. I've been out in it all day, trying to get people cleaned up, get things caught up, and get people dug out. It's been a real mess, but it's all right. So the big January 26th snowstorm is about over. And there was a lot of places that even closed up. I was surprised some banks were closed and stuff. It's not the way it used to be. Years ago, people didn't care. They went to school and they trudged through a foot of snow. All the businesses were open. It didn't matter. Nowadays, you get a foot of snow and it's like, oh, it's the end of the world. Everything's closed. But I don't know. The media tends to hype things up a lot. But I guess it's okay if you're elderly and can't deal with it anymore. You might as well not go anywhere anyway. So anyway, this is the end of the big snowstorm, January 26, 2026.